guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this logo introduction video on CapCut PC. So select your video. I'm just going to extend it to around 4 to 5 minutes. Go to effects and select neon. Well, search neon up. Add it into the video and also find edge glow. Select it and again add it into the video. You can adjust the glow. Then go to library and select the color that you want to use. For instance, like this orange one. Scale it up, go to blend mode, linear burn. Select everything, right click, create compound clip. Go to mask, go to film strip and rotate it slightly at like an angle and make it a little bit smaller but not too small. Feather it out just a little bit and you're going to start at this point. Add a keyframe here and then at the end of the video you're going to move the keyframe up. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!